Previously on Eric House Productions.
Today we'll be showing you how to spot sneaker fakes. Cheap, made in Iraq, and you have to taste your Jordans. That means that it's got to be real. These are the reals. These are the fakes. Don't get confused. Don't get ripped off. Big brown silver. Jesus Christ. That's how you find out if your shoes are fake. This place seems familiar. Today we'll be showing you how to spot sneaker fakes. Cool things happened here. We're gonna cross the river.
Across the river.
There it is.
The infamous, never
The
forgotten.
The lost relic. How are we gonna get into that?
Oh, you better.
Come on, dude.
Get down.
We're gonna get it, bro. Wait, I have something perfect in my truck for this.
Oh, God.
Across the river.
Yeah. Oh, you're close, dude. Give her another go.
I just smacked my face on that branch. Shit from
Oh, you're dude. Dude, do that again. Do that again.
Dude, it's so fun.
Keep going. Just shake it. You gotta get violent.
Oh my God. No way that worked. Dude. These vents are some shit. Holy.
Oh my God.
These feel like dirt.
Oh. Oh.
It's waterlogged. Holy shit.
What's the objective here?
I guess we're gonna try to clean them.
Learn.
Oh! Let's check out all the water. Oh, where did it even go? Oh, it landed in more water.
Did it really?
Yeah.
Hey, I wanted one of these.
What is that? Fruit Loop drink?
Cereal flavored milk.
We gotta do that on a video. We gotta do.
Dude, no way, this is still here.
Remember? Flashback.
Who flattened it? Step one, we have to dry the shoe.
Air drying is preferred. More water. More water.
It's a yo-yo.
Jesus Christ.
Oh. Oh.
This is how you do it right here.
Alright, let's put it on your car.
When the going gets tough and the air drying is difficult, you gotta find another way.
Attach that thing to a car.
We can
Oh, semi-dry.
let's do a little bit of a wash, shall we?
Let's do a wash.
Gotta get cleaned up. The color's coming back, you see it? It's all brown.
Gotta do the dry test one more time. Okay, that's pretty dry. Dude, the color's coming back. Cleveland Bound 7s. Let's open it up.
Look what we're working with.
A spongy sponge.
Okay. Oh,
And a brush.
that's sweet. That's nice.
Apply cleaner and soft bristle brush. Scrub the entire shoe thoroughly.
A little bit of water. Lovely.
Let's see the magic happen.
Oh yeah.
Very watery.
Let's see it.
That smells like so freaking good. It's looking promising. It's time for the inside.
Ooh. sparkling white.
Oh my god. Well, that's a lot better.
Yeah.
I gotta dry them again. Sometimes you can't. Sometimes you can only do your best. You can't ever fix the whole situation.
It's life. It's part of life. Yeah, I'll get so.
Get back my shoe. Johnny Knoxville. This is the shoe toss.
This did not go far at all.
The strap. Oh, it fell! Across the river.